In a fast-paced world, it's crucial to have the proper tools for a healthy lifestyle. Portable blenders are a game-changer for people who value nutrition and convenience. These compact devices offer a solution to the challenge of blending your favorite beverages on the go, whether it's a revitalizing smoothie, a quick protein shake, or a refreshing fruit blend. The journey of portable blenders in the market began with a recognition of the need for a compact, travel-friendly blending solution. As consumers sought ways to maintain their nutritional habits while on the move, manufacturers responded by introducing these portable marvels. The convenience they offer is not just a trend, but a solution to a genuine lifestyle needs. These portable blenders come equipped with features that cater to the demands of modern life. From powerful motors to efficient battery life, they are designed to deliver a seamless blending experience without compromising on performance. In this video, I have listed best 5 portable blenders for you. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this guide will be in the description below. Let's begin. Number 5. Magic Bullet BlendQui, my choice for best compact version. It comes in a sleek silver color and its standout feature is its portability. With a capacity of 16 ounces, it's perfect for making refreshing flavored water on the go. Just insert the infuser basket and fill it with herbs or fruit. What I find really convenient is the handled flip and sip lid design. It makes transporting and drinking your creations easy without any spillage. And here's the kicker, a full charging session gives you enough juice for 15 plus blending cycles. That's impressive for a device this compact and lightweight. The design includes a handy handled lid, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Number 4. BlendQui Portable Blender. This is my pick for best design in a sleek purple hue. It's not just a blender, it's a style statement for your kitchen or on the go. With a capacity of 14 fluid ounces, it's compact but powerful. Blend in style with this elegant design. It's more than a portable blender, it's a stylish statement. The special sleek cup design adds a touch of modern aesthetics to your blending routine, whether in the kitchen or tucked in your gym bag. But it's not just about looks. It packs a punch with powerful crushing performance. Its 10-blade system effortlessly crushes ice, making it perfect for refreshing drinks on hot days, and it's versatile enough for grinding spices to elevate your cooking. What sets it apart is the unrivaled portability. Rechargeable and efficient, it offers 12 plus blends on a single charge, lasting about a week. From camping trips to office breaks, BlendQui is your wellness companion wherever life takes you. Safety is a top priority. Crafted with essential safety protections, it's secure even for kids. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Portable Blender, my choice for best budget. It's in a sleek raspberry color, and its standout feature is its portability. This little guy is lightweight and compact with a 14 ounces, BPA-free travel jar that conveniently doubles as a to-go cup. Ideal for those who are always on the move, it fits snugly into most car cup holders. When it comes to performance, the stainless steel blades can handle ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens with ease, ensuring smooth results in your shakes and smoothies. And cleanup, a breeze. The blending jar blades and travel lid are all dishwasher safe, making it quick and easy. Its compact design makes it versatile, perfect for home, office, travel, small dorms, and apartments. The one-touch blending feature adds to its simplicity. Just press the button, and you're good to go. Number 2. Ninjab BC51NV. This is my pick for best large capacity. It's a powerhouse in portable blending, tackling frozen ingredients effortlessly. With a generous 18 ounces capacity, it ensures you have enough for your favorite blends. The denim blue color adds a touch of style, letting you choose a hue that suits you. And when you're on the move, the hinged carry handle makes it easy to take your drink with you. The easy open sip lid allows you to blend and sip from the same vessel. Plus, cleaning is a breeze. Both the lid and vessel are dishwasher safe, and the blender can even self-clean with a quick 30-second blend cycle. Thanks to Ninja Blast technology and the durable stainless steel blast blade assembly, it creates a powerful vortex for tackling ice and frozen ingredients. Number 1. QUT Rpb100 Evolution X. My favorite, and it is the best overall. It comes in a sleek black color which adds a nice touch. The special feature is manual operation, providing a hands-on touch. What's notable is its fully rechargeable capability, taking just 2 hours for a full charge. With a quick charge, you get 20 minutes of continuous runtime. It's convenient for on the go with a 16 ounces to-go cup that comes with a travel lid. One feature I appreciate is the LED display controls, making it easy to monitor and adjust settings. And there you have it, our roundup of the best portable blenders for 2024. Whether you're blending up smoothies on the go or whipping up a quick snack, we got you covered, ready to grab your perfect portable blend companion. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If this guide helped you blend your way to a decision, give us a thumbs up, share the scoop with your blending buddies, and hit that subscribe button with the bell icon to stay in the mix with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy blending and cheers to portable goodness!